Angelina and Angelo were twins, but they couldn't be more different. Angelina was neat, careful, and loved keeping things in perfect order. Her toys were lined up in rainbow colors, and her shoes always sparkled. Angelo, on the other hand, was a walking whirlwind. He laughed loudly, ran everywhere, and seemed to find a way to make everything messy, even breakfast. One bright Saturday morning, their mum announced, "Kids, we're having a splash day in the backyard. Get your swimsuits and water toys ready." Angelina smiled politely. "Okay, Mum." Angelo whooped, "Yes, let the fun begin," and ran off to fill his water blasters. Soon the backyard was a paradise of puddles and giggles, buckets of water, colorful balloons, and a giant inflatable pool waited under the warm sun. "Ready, set, splash!" Angelo shouted, shooting a stream of water straight at Angelina's hat. "Hey, that's my favorite hat!" she squealed, jumping behind a floaty for cover. "Oh, come on, Angie, it's just water." Angelo laughed, his dimples shining like two tiny suns. Angelina puffed her cheeks and crossed her arms. "You always take things too far." But before she could scold him again, a balloon slipped from Angelo's hands and popped over his own head. He froze, water dripping from his hair, and then burst into the loudest laugh she'd ever heard. It was so silly that Angelina couldn't help it. She started giggling too. And just like that, the splash battle became a splash party. As the fun went on, Angelo got an idea. "Let's make the biggest bubble in the world." He poured dish soap into the pool, grabbed a hula hoop, and said, "Stand in the middle, Angelina." Before she could ask what he was doing, Angelo dipped the hoop in the soapy water and lifted it over her head. Poof! A giant bubble surrounded Angelina like a shimmery rainbow dome. "Whoa!" she gasped, twirling inside it. But the bubble didn't last long. A breeze came and pop! They both got covered in suds. They laughed so hard, even their dog Muffin joined in, wagging his tail and splashing water everywhere. As they played, a little green frog hopped by the pool. "Look, Angie, it's a prince in disguise," Angelo whispered dramatically. Angelina giggled. "Then maybe he needs a princess." So she picked a flower crown from the garden, placed it gently on the frog's head, and said, "I hereby declare you Sir Ribbit, the royal splash prince." The frog croaked loudly, "Ribbit," and jumped right into the pool, splashing both kids. They both squealed with laughter, holding their sides. "That's it," Angelo said between giggles. "We're officially the Splash Kingdom." When the sun began to set and their mum called them inside, the twins sat on the porch, wrapped in towels, watching the sky turn pink and gold. "Hey," Angelo said quietly, "sorry if I splashed you too much earlier." Angelina smiled. "It's okay. I guess being a little messy can be fun sometimes." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.